Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine, which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.